Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Elite Traders Group morning market wrap. Today's date, the 12th of January 2012. And guys, we're seeing a bit of choppy market price action as of late. I've just got the Dow Jones futures here, finished down only about 15 points. In the Asian session, we're seeing a little bit more downside here. Look, cautiously optimistic, probably the best word for it. I think we are going to see a little bit more of a rally, but we can see it's sort of losing some steam. We're in that contraction phase right now. It's really not able to crack that 12,400 mark properly. So for the time being, we're going to stay out of the US equities markets. Now, looking over as to new trades, we had a 3-month euro-dollar trade on GEZ3. Unfortunately, we were taken out of this trade last night. Now, we've had some great success with it in the last couple of months, but last night we were tapped out on volatility with this one at 99.28, as we can see. Really small risk, though, only about at 175 per contract there. So, even so, taken out, and then we'll look to reevaluate this particular trade for more opportunities as well. Moving over into the agriculturals, we have an important report out tonight called the WASDE report, the World Agricultural Supply and Demand Estimates report, and that is out in between the close of, well, just before the US session. And we are expecting that the corn yield per acre is going to be down from previous years. If that is the case, we may see a very, very strong move in the corn price, hopefully a crack over that 660 mark, and maybe even a limit up night of 30 points if the report is very, very bullish. So we are expecting some good news out of that, but not yet willing to jump in front of that report right now. Wheat, very much the same situation as well. We can also expect some slightly lower yields in that respect, and again it's trading at 640, so both these markets very similar at the moment. We can see that they have started to make those higher lows and higher highs. Is there going to be a continuation of that? The WASDE report will determine that for the next month or so. Over into the precious metals, we are seeing a tad bit more upside in the gold market right now. We can see it's trading at about 1641, and again, we do expect further upside in this. Very interesting to note that a lot of these commodities are still trying as much as they can to go up, even though we're seeing the US dollar also head north. So, you know, obviously the correlation that we see between the US dollar and these other commodities is generally negative, but right now we are seeing the US dollar rally as well as other commodities, so very interesting to see that correlation finally turn. Hey guys, thanks very much for listening to the Elite Traders Group update for this morning. Look, if you're wanting to receive live trade recommendations, if you're wanting discount full service broking and some of the lowest margin requirements in futures, foreign exchange and CFDs in Australia or even internationally, contact us to subscribe. Don't hesitate to send me an email, dib@halifaxonline.com.au. My phone number's down there, both local and international, or at least for the daily reports. Don't hesitate to subscribe and leave a comment in the section below. Thanks very much for your time, everyone. We'll chat again tomorrow. Cheers.